Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Tide Business Banking. Review my UK small business account experience. Tide Business Banking offers online banking services specifically designed for small businesses and freelancers in the UK. It aims to simplify financial administration with features like easy invoicing, expense tracking, and integration with accounting software. They target anyone from sole traders to limited companies who need a streamlined, digital-first banking solution. Their website provides details on their different account tiers and associated fees. They emphasize ease of use, no monthly fees for their basic account, and transparent pricing. They aim to be a more agile and modern alternative to traditional high street banks, leveraging technology to offer a quicker and more convenient banking experience. You can check their website for the latest information on availability and specific features for different business types. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Tide Business Banking. Setting up my account was remarkably straightforward. The entire process was online and took less than 15 minutes. I was verified quickly and able to start using the account almost immediately. The interface is clean and intuitive. I found navigating the dashboard and key features like creating invoices and categorizing expenses very easy. For example, generating an invoice was a breeze, with clear fields for client details, services provided, and payment terms. The automatic expense categorization feature saved me a lot of time. The performance was generally good, the app was responsive, and I didn't experience any significant lags or glitches. I did have a quick question about integrating with my accounting software, and their support team responded within a day via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was, allowing me to see my balance, upcoming payments, and recent transactions at a glance. The standout feature for me was definitely the automated expense categorization. One minor drawback was the limited number of integrations with other business tools compared to some competitors. It also took me a little while to get used to the process of adding new payees, which wasn't as intuitive as I'd hoped. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Tide Business Banking. While it has a few minor quirks, it generally met my needs as a freelancer and simplified my financial admin significantly. That's my overview of Tide Business Banking. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.